What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful Sunday. Well, it's kind of rainy, but it's still beautiful because it's Medellin. We are on our way to look at an apartment. We're going to show it to a friend of mine that's interested in buying it in the neighborhood of Belen. I live in El Poblado. It takes about 20-25 minutes to go from the southeast of the city all the way to the west of the city. We're going to do a walkthrough of the property. This one costs 800 million Colombian pesos, which is under $200,000. I'll give you the exact conversion once I look at the listing and I do the walkthrough here in a minute. If you're looking to buy a property in Medellin, make sure to fill out the form. There's a link in the description. Click on it, fill out the form, and when you get to Medellin, I'll show you apartments. All right, we are in the apartment. This is a 92 square meter, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath apartment. This is the living room area, dining, enough for a dining table here, and a living room, and a little desk area here for work, which I thought was great. It looks like they had their TV up here, but I would probably put it over here. Right, I'd want to sit next to this amazing balcony and this amazing view, which we'll check out here in a second. Again, 92 square meters, which is just under 900 square feet. This is the kitchen area here. It does have room for like a little bar here, like for bar stools, I guess. They call it a California bar here. This is the laundry area. Definitely enough room for a stackable washer dryer. That's what I put in here. This is the water heater here. It's On Demand Haseb, which is a local company, a good water heater company. Again, little office area here, which I think is pretty neat. A lot of space in this living area. We're gonna go in here to the first full bath. As you can see, it's this is the shared bath for these 2 bedrooms that don't have a bathroom. This is great little room. Oh, check out this view, man. That's El Poblado on that side. We are in Belen. I live over here near that Monterrey Mall over there. All right, let's continue. Not get too sidetracked here. We're gonna look at the next bedroom. This one's slightly bigger, I think. Yeah, it seems slightly bigger. Both have amazing views. That's the beautiful thing about living in Belen, is that you are kind of in the hills, and you get these amazing views. This is the master bedroom. Definitely enough room here for a king-size bed. They got the built-in TV shelf there. And the master bathroom, which has a walk-in closet, which is nice. And let's check this out. Oh, nice. Look at all that counter space. I know the women are gonna love that. Those are the comments that I get on my Airbnbs, that I don't have enough counter space when women come, so I had to change that. All right, again, 800 million Colombian pesos for this one. It is about 190,000 US dollars, depending on the exchange rate. I think it's less now because the dollar jumped. And it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Belen. Make sure to click the link in the description if you wanna check this one out, fill out the form. Once you get here, we'll check out some properties. Yeah. All right, we just finished viewing the property with the client. He liked it. He's gonna make an offer on it, which is awesome. We'll see how low the owner will go on this one. It's listed at 800 million, but it's negotiable, so we're gonna find out. What did you guys think of this one in the comments? Let me know. I liked it because of the family-oriented neighborhood, right? I mean, it's basically like a little neighborhood in there. They've got the dog park, they've got the pool, the amenities. The gym was really nice too. I didn't video the gym, darn it, but it was big. I mean, you really wouldn't need another gym membership. The cons, I don't like the fact that it's so far away. The client liked it because they work from home, so they don't need to commute anywhere. So if you, for example, for me, it wouldn't work because I have to go all over the city showing properties. And this is in La Mota, Belen La Mota, which is in Estrato 5. So it's a nice neighborhood. It's just a little farther. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. Also, there's a link in the description if you want to get a hold of me. We'll see you guys in the next video.